Welcome to Edits in Minutes. Today I'll show you how to create a beautiful light leak transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, import your clips and place them on the timeline, ensuring they are adjacent. Let's begin by going to our project panel, creating an adjustment layer, and then dragging it above our two clips on the timeline. Move your playhead directly between where your two clips meet, then move back 10 frames by holding Shift and hitting the left arrow key twice. Now cut by holding CTRL and pushing K, and then delete the outside layer. Move your playhead back to the center. Do the same thing, move ahead 10 frames and then make a cut, deleting the outside layer again. Under Effects, find Lens Flare and drag it onto the adjustment layer from the beginning of the layer. Under Effect Controls, click the stopwatch animation icon under Flare Brightness. Now, using the X and Y position controls, move the flare center to the correct spot on the screen. Next, we need to make it brighter. Move your playhead to the start of the layer and change the brightness to 0. We want to move to the center again by hitting the Shift and right arrow key and adjusting the brightness to 300. Finally, move to our last keyframe at the end of the layer and change the brightness to 0. What we have now is a lovely light transition effect. And that's it. A quick light leak transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing.